Hey guys, welcome to Tech It Simple. In this session, we're going to look at how to block someone on Messenger but not on Facebook. Now, let's begin. Open your Messenger app on your desktop. Then, select the person you want to block in Messenger. Left-click on them to select, then right-click on the same person. You will be greeted by options such as mark as unread, your notifications, etc. Now, the thing we need to focus on here is block on Messenger and block on Facebook. Since we only want to block on Messenger, let's click on it. It will ask for our confirmation if we really want to block Tom or not. Let's just block him, and a notification like this will be shown at the bottom of your screen. You can also choose to unblock him by just clicking on Unblock. Even if you have blocked someone on Messenger, you can still view their profile on the Facebook app. And that's how, guys, you block someone on Messenger and not on Facebook. Thank you for watching this video, guys. If you liked this video, do remember to hit like, share, and subscribe.